Okay, so sorry about that. My network was bad. 40. So welcome back. This is my cPanel. I taught you guys yesterday how to log into your cPanel. So this is where I'll be installing my WordPress from. I want to install my WordPress on my cPanel. So you go to this Softaculous app installer. As I say, I have two WordPress installed on this domain name. So I'll just go ahead. Okay, like all these things you're seeing here. What to call CMS Joomla, Abatecat, and SMF, and who is an open real estate board. I'll be using WordPress. So when you come to this place, you have to fill this form. Let's put admin. Then we'll put the password as Drix Tech 50. Yeah, Drix Tech 50. I think we'll go with this. So yeah, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a domain name, domain name. This domain name is a Doveline News. So I'll just have to put it directly here. So don't forget about this directory you're seeing here. In normal English word it's called folder, but it's in the programming world it's called directory. So this directly now, if you're building your own website, you don't need to put it. But for this tutorial sake, I'm using already used domain name. So I don't want to install it on this domain because it's going to crash everything. So that's why I'm putting it a directory. That is going to create a folder for me automatically. Okay, so after that, you might want to set your blog name. Let us say blog. Yeah, let us give you my blog. This is the site description. This site description is very, very important. So let's come down. Okay, we're through with the password. Okay, English. I like this classic editor, so I'm going to install it. I'm going to click on it. So you can just leave all of this and hit on this install. So it's going to install for us. Wow, 100%. So as you can see, this is the link to our back end. This is the link to our back end, and this is the link to the main website. So first of all, let's see how the website looks like. Wow, this is our website. So you can see this is not the blog we said we want to create, but you can see in the next few minutes how we can transform this whole thing to a mind-blowing website. So let's go back to our Softaculous. Let's log into back end. Okay, so this is the back end of our website. As you can see, it's as blank as anything, it's as empty as anything, so there's nothing here. So let's go. It's time to go install our theme. The theme will go from Theme Forest. This is the theme, SAHIFA. Okay, this theme, this is how the theme, your website is going to look like. So this is how it's going to look like. Remember, this theme is $59. Like I said, don't worry, at the end of this tutorial I'll show you how or where you can get your theme. You can get this theme, how to go about it, and how to get the theme. So let's go straight up to our back end. So this is our back end. This is where we'll be installing the theme. Me, I don't like installing my theme from the back end. If you want to install your theme, you go to theme, appearance, and go to theme. This is where you upload your theme, but I don't like uploading mine because you're going to run into a whole lot of troubles. But I will just go back. I prefer going to my cPanel. Where is my cPanel? cPanel. So go back to Softaculous. Go back to Softaculous. Let me go back to my cPanel. Wow. My network has started again. Oh, okay. Let me just do it this way instead of wasting of our time. Let us do it this way. cPanel. Okay. So I'm gonna go back to my cPanel and upload my theme, the SAHIFA theme. I want to upload it from the cPanel. I want to upload it from the cPanel, which is very much easier to do. You have to understand the process very well. You need to understand the process very well. So once you get to your cPanel, you look at your file manager. I told you yesterday about file manager. This is where you upload your website files. So you come to this public_HTML. Please, this is very important. Like I say, you need to stick. This is the part you need to stick. If not, you run into a whole lot of errors and troubles. So you have to click to this public_HTML.